lest we forget our female musical icons who have served us well and long. Doris Darlington, mother of Sir Coxsone, Sister Ignatius, oh so gracious, the Honorable Miss Lou, Jamaica owes so much to you. Patricia Chin, aka Miss Pat, co-founder of Randy's and VP Records. Sheila Rickards, Joyce Leela, and Tackett Jackson, early singing sensations. Janet Enright, play the guitar with great delight. Dr. Olive Lewin and the Jamaica folk singers. Marjorie Wiley, Enid Cumberland of Keith and Enid fame. Artist Ellis, the top songstress. Millie Small, the most successful singer of all. Norma Dada, wife of Sir Coxsone Dada, keeping Studio One alive. Sonia Pottinger, great record producer. Kentris Fagan, aka Girl Sashmore, Babsy Grange, Adina Edwards, the blind genius, Sidela Booker, mother of Bob Marley, Beverly Kelso, original member of the Wheelers, Cynthia Richards, Nama Fraser, and Naomi Phillips, Millicent, Patsy Tada, Doreen Schaefer, Myrna Hager, Ivan Harrison, of Roy and Ivan Fame, Paulette Marsh of Delroy and Paulette Fame, Claudette Clark, sweetheart of gospel and soul, the I-Trees, Phyllis Dillon, Nana McLean and Nora Dean, the Weber sisters, Dan Penn, Pauline Forrest Watson, Thea Bennett, Joy of Andy and Joy Fame, Dorothy Reed of Bonnie and Dottie Fame. We can't forget those who came later. Pam and Audrey Hall, Althea and Donna, Cynthia Slass, Barbara Jones, Sonia Spence and Lana Bennett, Faith Diablar, Sheila Hilton, Marcia Akin and Susan Cadogan, Joy White, Shirley McLean, J.C. Lodge, Jem Myers, Colleen Davis and Sophia George, Diana King, Nadine Sutherland, Karen Smith, and many, many more.